Okay, grade 11s, we're going to do task 10.10 now. If you look at task 10.10, the first thing you need to determine is your debtors collection schedule for sensation outfitters must be drawn up for the period April to June 29. April, May, June. Alright? Now, I've told you before that this is the period they want you to show. But you need to determine from when do you have to do your calculations. And what will help you with that would be if you can determine the credit terms of your debtors. Debtors pay as follows. 30% in the month, so in the month. 55% within 1 month, or after 30 days is another way to say it. I write 1 month. Or within 2 months, after 60 days, 2 months. Alright? The rest would be treated as irrecoverable, bad debts. Okay? After that 3 months. After 2, that 3 months onwards, you will write off people that owe you money and you haven't received that from them yet. That is just additional information which we normally use in our protected income statement. But we now have cash sales. Cash is going to be used as is, but remember, only from April to June. Credit sales, however, remember this is the period they're going to ask us to show, April, May, June. But we need maximum 2 months back before what we're going to show, because people pay staggering. So that's why they provide information for March and February as well. So now this is your information. You now need to draw up a debtors collection schedule as well as outstanding debtors. Remember what I told you regarding outstanding debtors? If you have completed the time period asked and the people have not yet given them money, then that would be regarded as an outstanding debt. Right, so let's just get there now. And we're going to do it. First thing that you will do is the following. You will take the credit sales. You will not put it on top there. You will, on top, you will just have April, May, June. Right? This sentence won't be there. That's how we do it. Right? Then, on this side, we know the maximum number of days is 60. So we will go, on this side, we will start 2 months before, which means February, March, April, May, June. Alright? 2 months before. So now you take your credit sales, ignore the line there, we will put them in here except if they ask us to show it. And normally they don't ask this line, we just need this. So you then fill in the credit sales for that because you're busy with debtors. Alright? Now you know, in the month, 30%, but in the month is February, you don't need to show February. March, the next month, 1 month, you don't need to show. April, yes. So I want you basically to cover that bit there. Okay, because you're not going to show that. You're only going to show from April onwards. So, March, no. April, yes. How much in April? 2 months? Only 13%. 13% of 43,000 equals 5590. You can calculate that. Alright, now we go to March, 51. In March, no, I don't need to show. April, yes. 1 month, 55%. 55 times 51% is 28,050. 2 months, 13%. 13 times 51 is 6630. The rest, what do you know about the rest? The 2% will be regarded as bad debt. So what I want you to do and get used to doing it is to here on this side, you fill in bad debts. I just want to take that one out there. Bad debts. Obviously, no, there's a space, I haven't received anything, so that's been regarded as bad debts. Then the next one that you do is, the rest of it is bad debt. What is bad debts? 2% is bad debts there, because there's nothing being received in June, so now I can write it off. Can I write off 2% here? No. I first have to go into the 3 months, and after the 3 months I write them off. I have not received anything, so I can't show that as a bad debt. Right. So, you take April in the month, yes, 1 month, 2 months. The rest will be regarded as outstanding debtor. 2% outstanding debtor from April. Okay. Next one, May. In the month, 30%. Now, can you see you can't put it in April? It's not April. In the month, 30%. 1 month, 55%. Of what? Of the credit sales of 75,000. Okay? What if you take 30 plus 55, what's left over? 15. Okay, that's 85. So what 15% of that amount would be outstanding? That's for May. Now we go to June. In the month, 30%. The whole rest, 70%, is not part of our debtors collection period. We don't need to show it. Alright, so all of that would be regarded as outstanding for June. Alright, so the rest there, they've worked it out, that is outstanding at the end of the year. So, how much money in total will we be receiving? How much cash will we be receiving from our debtors for April? That total there. So that is what we will then use in our cash budget, where we have cash from debtors. Okay? So we will now have cash sales under receipts, and we will have the cash received from outstanding debtors. And this is what we will receive for April. And this is what we will receive for May. And this is what we will receive for June. Those two amounts will be regarded as bad debts for this period. And that amount there will be regarded as outstanding. Have not received yet. I want you to rewrite this into your book. I will also place this picture in your book. Obviously, it's not going to have all these written pieces in. Please, you can do that from this video. And then I want you to do activity 10.11